Alright, in this video, let's try to draw this kind of railing or this asset right using Revit architecture. And it's quite a simple procedure except for this steel bubbles. That's what I found is a bit more confusing. Rest of the things are totally okay, so let me try. I haven't drawn before. Okay, first get into railing. Maybe length really doesn't matter. Get into the south elevation. We are having some assets here. First, let me change the spacing of these things. Can be 1 meter. Okay, got 1 meter here. So the vertical posts are totally clear. Let me change the type first. It will be like maybe more circular. That will be more circular with the size of, I like to pick up the sizes, maybe around 25. Let it be around 25. Right, then let's add the horizontal post or the railing, which will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Before that, I would like to change the height. It can be 1200, 1.2 meter, and maybe 300, 600, and 900. And then comes 1200, and the diameter will be just like maybe 30 mm, 30 mm, 30 mm. Okay, I think that these are circular assets here. Yeah, these are circular assets. Now the hardest part of this job is let's create this steel bubbles. And after thinking a lot, I came to the point that I can draw this by making use of a baluster family. So get into new baluster family. We are having 2 bubbles here, and that can be customized. You can apply the same process to every bubbles, we can say. Alright, first let me draw the bubble by making this a wall. Right now I am in left plane. I can pick up any of this option containing left. So there's only one, which is this option. And well, I like to draw an arc, and the diameter of the arc is 60. Eventually the radius will be 30, and I like to complete it by making use of a line. Then in the symbol sense, we have to apply a height parameter so that we can adjust the height of this bubble in the project. So select the arc. You got an option called center mark visible, and I can go for the dimension from first point to second point, and I like to select the dimension and assign a parameter that is height. Okay, that's it. And yeah, well, I think let's go for an axis line. Okay, there's an axis line here. And also let's do the same thing for the second bubble. As I can see that there are 2 bubbles here. In the second bubble, let's just copy that from first point to second point. And also I don't need an axis line. Yeah, let's assign a parameter first point to second point, and yeah, assign a parameter that is called height of the second stuff, height 2. And well, that's it. Okay, now let me try to change the height of the baluster. That is like 1200, which was the value in our project. Really, that's not important, but Urisugam. Alright, okay, now let's get into the south elevation, and I like to get into the edit type of the railing, and I like to add a new asset right here, and the spacing shall be like 500 and 500. And okay, let me go for the family 2 option here. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's great. Now let's change the height of the asset by, okay, how long should it go down? Okay, so let's get into the family option in project browser, and we are playing with railings here and open railings, and you got a family 2 option here. Just double click that and let's change height 1. So how long does the height should be changed? So I know that the bottom post is 300 units, but by providing 300 units, you can say that the bottom part of our sphere is coinciding with the bottom part of our horizontal railing. Okay, so let's offset it down. The distance is equal to half of the radius. The radius, I think it is 30 is the radius. Yeah, 30 is the radius. So let's put it down. Let's pull it down. Maybe 15. So this will be like 285. 300 minus 15, 285. So you can see that is perfect. Perfect. Okay. Now let's go for height 2, which will be just like 600. So let me offset it. Height 2 is maybe, if I trying to put it 600, you can see that the same thing happens there. And pull it down, a distance equal to half of the radius, so 585. Yeah, well, that's it. You can see that's totally okay. Now last resort is, let's change the top rail, edit type, and you can say that the part is top rail and it is rectangular, and I would like to go for maybe a circular type. That's okay, both looks the same. Right, that's it. And thanks for watching.